Ew.
Hi, what I'm going to do today is to attempt to eat a whole pound of head cheese in less than a minute. Julie, if you would you come over here and get a close-up of this head cheese? What this is the pig's head. It's very good. I've been eating this all my life, but I've never attempted to eat a whole pound in less than a minute. I don't know what's going to happen. I haven't had anything to eat all day, so we'll just see. You guys ready to go?
Peg, you ready?
Ready.
Let's go.
You can do it.
Come on, Dave.
Go on, keep going. You can do it.
Oh. Oh. What's that stuff wrapped around it?
Go on, keep going. Come on, you can do it. Keep it down.
Oh, yeah, get that brown part right there.
Come on.
Oh, Lord.
David.
10 seconds.
Oh, come on. Count down. Oh, you got a lot to go. Shove it in there.
Seconds.
You got about half a pound. You can do it.
Time.
Oh. How do you feel?
I thought I could do this. I thought I could do it. Man. Well, I think I got about half of it now. But I will attempt this again. But if anybody wants to challenge me in the future, we'll just see what we can do. For now, bye-bye.